If you're familiar with the geostationary amateur radio satellite known as QO-100, you may have used the provided WebSDR to listen into it remotely. Because I'm outside of the satellite's footprint, this WebSDR is my only option for monitoring the satellite. There's the usual amateur radio communications taking place.
I could have cancelled it,
But then there's the beacons. Did you know it's actually possible to decode the mid-beacon of QO-100 to display various messages? Let's decode it together here on Signals Everywhere. First, we'll assume that you have virtual audio cable installed. If not, we'll have links in the description, and we're going to go ahead and switch Windows over to the virtual audio cable. Now we can open up IZ8BLY's AO40 decoder, and ensuring that the audio device is set to our virtual audio cable, we can use this to decode the QO-100 mid beacon. I hope you found this interesting, and if you'd like to see more content like it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Huge thanks to my patrons for helping support me all of these years, and a big thanks to all of my subscribers. My name is Sarah, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!